Using Evernote for UPSC preparation can help you stay organized, manage notes efficiently, and streamline your study process. Here's how you can use it effectively. Organize notes by subjects. Create notebooks for each subject. Use tags like prelims, mains, essay, or current affairs for quick searchability. Collect and store study material. Save news articles, PDFs, and government reports by clipping them from the web using Evernote Web Clipper. Scan handwritten notes from books and coaching material using the Evernote mobile app. Make daily and monthly revision plans. Create to-do lists for daily targets. Use checklists for answer writing practice, mock tests, and syllabus tracking. Note-taking and answer writing practice. Write short notes in your own words to revise faster. Use the voice note feature to record important points. Store model answers for mains and essays. Sync across devices. Evernote syncs on mobile, tablet, and PC, ensuring your notes are always accessible.